In this episode, I'm going to show you how to activate YouTube parental control so that you could better restrict YouTube from showing content that you don't want your kids to see. I'm going to provide with 4 different options. The first option is to install YouTube Kids. How you're going to do it is to locate our Play Store. If you're on Android, on iOS, locate your App Store and click it. From there, in the search, type YouTube Kids and hit enter. Pick the one with this best match and install it. After that, you can proceed to open the app and make sure your kids only got access to this YouTube Kids instead of the normal YouTube. The second option is to locate the YouTube app itself and click it. On the topmost right corner, locate this icon and click it. From there, locate settings and then proceed to general. You want to scroll down and locate restricted mode and toggle this on. So all these settings is done within your phone. On your computer, you want to locate your YouTube interface and make sure you are logged in your email account. So from there, proceed to click your icon here, and when you scroll down a little, you see restricted mode. So what we're gonna do is to proceed to toggle this on. So you have to click it. From there, toggle this on. After that, the fourth option is to type google.com/preferences. An interface like this will open. You will see this save search filters. You're gonna make sure that this is toggled on if it's toggled off. So these are basically 4 options that you can use to activate restricted mode on your device. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.